Purchase order matching in DocBits helps you verify incoming invoices against corresponding purchase orders. This ensures accuracy, reduces manual effort, and helps prevent overpayments or incorrect billing. Before using the feature, you can configure several options that define how matching should behave. In the settings, you can define tolerances that allow small differences between the invoice and the purchase order. These tolerances can be applied to quantities, unit prices, freight, charges, or tax. This gives flexibility for scenarios where suppliers round differently or use small unit conversions. DocBits offers 3 quantity-based matching conditions, which control how invoice lines are compared to PO lines. Ordered quantity compares the invoice with the originally ordered amount. Received quantity compares the invoice only to what has already been received. Received delivery open quantity compares the invoice to the received amount minus previously matched quantities, allowing matching only against the remaining open portion. These options define which quantity source is used for the comparison during matching. Once enabled, the purchase order matching screen provides a detailed and interactive environment for handling matches. Here's what you can do. DocBits can automatically match invoice lines to purchase order lines. The system compares item numbers, quantities, unit prices, and other fields to find the best match. You can also match manually. Simply drag a PO line and drop it onto an invoice line to link them. This gives full control whenever adjustments or corrections are needed. To help you quickly understand the matching status, DocBits uses color indicators: green, full match. Everything aligns with intolerance, quantity, unit price, item number, and totals. Orange, mismatch. Something doesn't match. When you hover over the indicator, DocBits shows a tooltip describing the mismatch, such as quantity mismatch, unit price mismatch, item number mismatch, or multiple differences. These indicators help you spot issues instantly and take corrective action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos on our YouTube channel.